In a quiet district, Garip discovers a forgotten garden where street lamps hum like flutes and coins chime softly with the wind. Each lamp becomes a note, each coin a heartbeat, and Garip learns to read the garden as a living score. He documents the melodies with sketches, mapping how footsteps, rain, and bicycle bells weave into a nocturnal lullaby. When the city sleeps, Garip conducts the glow, guiding passersby to pause and listen to the hidden rhythm between bricks. The garden gifts new echoes, reminding the world that everyday objects carry talents when seen with wonder.